Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to install iOS 26 developer beta on iPhone. Let's have a look. First, open Safari on your iPhone. On Safari address bar, type developer.apple.com. Hit developer.apple.com. Tap Apple Developer. Now tap two lines on top left and tap Account. Enter your Apple ID and password to sign in. After sign in, scroll down Apple Developer Agreement. Check the radio button Yes and tap Agree. Customize your experience with Apple Developer. Tap Remind Me Later. Tap Remind Me Later. Join the Apple Developer Program. Tap Enroll Today. Now close Safari app. Open Settings app. In Settings, scroll down little bit and tap General. Tap Software Update. Beta Updates, tap arrow button and choose iOS 26 Developer Beta. Go back and you will see the new update for iOS 26.1. Tap Update Now. This will start downloading beta updates. When beta updates downloaded, it will reboot your phone and you will see hello screen. Swipe up to start. Software update complete. Tap continue. Face ID you can set up later. Tap get started. Go back to settings and tap general and tap software update. Here you will see iOS 16.1 developer beta. So these are the steps to install iOS 26 developer beta on iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.